Here we have a Milwaukee 4209-1 electromagnetic base drill press, 115 volt, has a swivel base, and we're going to power it up to show you that it does operate. Alright, turn the magnet on and off and check the magnet. The magnet operates fine. Let's put it forward. Speed control, hit the e-stop to shut it off, go the opposite direction. We tested all the functions on this machine. Everything appears to be operating good, especially electrically. Controls in the motor. There's a little problem with the rack right here. There's a hairline crack that goes from one side to the next here. This unit is used. You can see that hairline crack right there. So this section of the drill press will have to be replaced. Has a 2-speed motor. Flip that over. And there's a little slice in the wire casing. It's just the casing only. The wire is still intact. You'll see the red wire right there. It's a control wire. It goes down to the control box. It doesn't appear to affect the operation of the unit at all. One of the handles is just slightly bent from shipping. All right, so like we said, it is used. It will go up and down. But once you get it up really high, if you're going to use it, a long drill, a taper shank drill bit, it's going to only limit you to use it right there. And overall, it's in really good condition. Includes a tie-down chain, tie-down hook, a couple spare wrenches to remove the motor. This will ship in 2 separate boxes to avoid any further damage. And we thank you for looking at our product.